Now let us review the composition of software applications, which have four main components. User interface. It is the part of the applications that we see and with which we navigate or interact with the application. It includes images, buttons, search bars, and options to enter inputs or information. Logic. It is the component that executes the functions, processes the information or inputs, and returns results. Databases. To function, all applications need to store information, whether entered by users or generated by the application itself. This information must be able to be retrieved, modified, updated, and deleted. The API or Application Programming Interface. These are the intermediaries or interpreters between the different parts of the application and even between different applications, allowing them to communicate and work together even if they are created with different programming languages. In addition to these components, most applications must have a connection to a server. An example of a simple application would be a calculator. The user interface would be the display, the buttons for numbers and operators, developed by front-end engineers. The logic receives the inputs, in this case the numbers and operators, and calculates the output as results, developed by back-end engineers. A database is required, even a simple one, to store the previously entered data, results, numbers, and operators used in the calculations. It can be developed by back-end engineers or database specialists. The components would be connected to each other using an API. They would also be connected to other applications through an APIs, also developed by back-end engineers or an API developer. This calculator could be used from a web page stored on a server, or it could be downloaded from a server to a computer or mobile device.